So the machine is setting the height instead of letting a screw adjust it or having a hopping foot. It's just controlled by the machine. If you have a machine that can use this foot, it would have come with this foot. It's a little QO open toe. And I don't know, I think I'm going to start off with just some loops today and warm up. Just warming up with something, anything. All right, I think I'm gonna do a nice little swirl here and come out. And what do I want to do with that swirl? I need to do something with it. So let's do a little flower. And let's build on that. Come over here. Let's see, sometimes you can't get everything placed just how you want it. I like that, that's kind of fun. I'll give you guys an overall look. There you go. It's like it's just building up on top of each other. So let's do one more of these, and then, you know, this is kind of feeling like one of those William Morris wallpapers. Let's get you guys a little more space so you can see it build up. So I think the next thing I need to do is give it a leaf, some sort of fanciful leaf. Come over here. We need a fanciful leaf. Let's see. So I'm thinking William Morris, that's the fancy wallpaper designer of what, the 30s, 20s? I don't know. We're going to give it kind of a ruffled leaf appearance. And we're back at our flower. I don't think we want to add any more layers. So let's see. He might also do another curlicue. But maybe not as part of the flower this time. So let's make it into kind of a feathered plume. So this is really just kind of an all-over doodle I'm having just to kind of practice and keep from falling out of practice. Let's look at our stitches. Oh yeah. God, I love this machine. All right, I love all my Janomes. So this is the Janome 9450 at the moment, but really love it. This is one of my, what I call the clubhouse machines, and the clubhouse is my little members only lessons on certain Janome machines. And I think all the clubhouse machines really do free motion very well. So let's see, let's come back out of here. What am I going to do? Just kind of throw in some little things. Clearly naming things is not my strong suit. And we need maybe another one over here. Let's make it nice and big.